Nawabi Paneer is a non-spicy, very mild, creamy Hyderabadi dish made in rich and smooth gravy and goes best with butter naan. Before moving forward, let's have a look on the ingredients. For this, I have taken 500 grams paneer, 2 onion paste, 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste, 1 tablespoon Kasuri Methi, some powdered masalas, salt, cumin powder, garam masala powder and black pepper powder. Here I have taken 1 small bowl curd and 1 bowl fresh malai. If you have cream, you can use it. And milk as per the requirement of the gravy. Here are some whole spices: bay leaf, cinnamon stick, black cardamom, green cardamom and cloves. Now these are the ingredients which make this recipe Nawabi special. So here I have taken 20 almonds, 20 cashew nuts, 1 teaspoon poppy seeds, 1 teaspoon grated coconut, and here are some makhana, that is foxnut, which are 25 in numbers, and 5-6 green chillies. Let's start. First, take a vessel, heat oil and put in whole spices. Let them crackle. Let the aroma of these spices infuse into the oil, then add kasuri methi. Fry kasuri methi also for 1-2 seconds. Add in onion paste along with ginger garlic paste and fry the masalas till the oil separates. Masalas are properly fried. Now as you can see, our masala has properly fried, oil has also been separated. Now at this point add curd and mix it well. Fry it for few seconds. Time to add powdered spices, salt, garam masala powder, cumin powder and black pepper powder. This gravy is white in color, so we will not add any colored spices like red chilli powder or turmeric powder. Now as you can see, our masalas has been properly fried. Time to add the special paste. Mix it well and let it fry for 2-3 minutes. Cover it and leave it till the oil starts separating. Now as you can see, from the corner the oil has been started separating. Now at this point mix cream, malai, whatever you have, and again mix it well. Time to add paneer. No need to fry the paneer. Mix it well. Cover the dish and leave it for 5 minutes. Now you can see as the gravy is ready, our dish is ready. Now it's ready to serve. Transfer the dish into a serving bowl. Look how rich and creamy this dish has been made. How delicious it is looking. Decorate it with some green chillies and some cashew nuts. Serve it with butter naan or zeera rice, whatever you like.